going to tell some important GKs to all the examinees who are preparing for so many exams today. Which is the biggest bird sanctuary of India? Ghana. Where is the headquarter of WTO? Geneva. Where is Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park of India located? Andaman. Where is the headquarter of Interpol? Lyon. In which state Rajaji National Park is located? Uttarakhand. Which is the biggest national park of West Bengal? Sundarban. Which is the first bird sanctuary of India? Ghana. Which state has the largest forest area in India? Chhattisgarh. Where is the headquarter of World Meteorological Organization? Geneva. The author of the book Ashtadhyayi is Panini. Which is the only national park of Jammu and Kashmir? Dachigam. Where is the headquarter of FIFA? Zurich. The book Uncle Tom's Cabin was written by Harriet Beecher Stowe. In which national park of India snow leopards are preserved? Lohala National Park. International Labour Organization had its headquarters at Geneva. Which national park of India covers 94% by water area? Khaibul Namjo. Who is the author of the book Dr. Zhivago? Boris Pasternak. The Parliament of Israel is Knesset. The Parliament of Spain is Cortes. The Parliament of Nepal is National Panchayat. Who is the author of the book Chalantika? The author of the book Chalantika is Rajshekhar Bose. The headquarters of Seattle is situated at Bangkok. The headquarters of SAARC is situated at Kathmandu. The name of the Parliament of Norway is Stirling. The author of the book The Wasteland is T.S. Eliot. Who is the author of the book Disgrace? The author of the book Disgrace is J.M. Coetzee. The Parliament of Mongolia is Khural. Saji Bukka is the legendary sportsperson of pole vault. Limbaram, the famous Indian sports personality, is associated with archery. Javier Solomeyer, a legendary sports personality of Cuba, is associated with high jump. Bijoy Singh, the world-renowned golfer, is of Fiji. What is the name of the upper house of Germany? Bundesrat. Joydeep Mukherjee, the sports personality, is associated with lawn tennis. How many countries are the members of NATO? 27th country. Pomology, the subject deals with fruits. The headquarters of Bank of International Settlement, Brussels, Switzerland. UNEP is established in 1972. N.C. Chaudhary wrote a book on his 100 years. The name of the book is Three Horsemen of New Apocalypse. War and Peace. This book is the work of Leo Tolstoy. Freedom Daughters. The book is the work of Sonia Gandhi. Tribiology deals with study of increasing surfaces in relative motion. Philology deals with study of language. Cryptography means secret writing. The Insider is a book. This book is written by P.V. Narasimha Rao. The Degeneration of India is written by T.N. Sheshman. My Life of Struggle is written by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Untold Story is written by B.M. Cole. Train to Pakistan is a book that is written by Khushwant Singh. The Last Train to Pakistan is written by General Aziz Khan. India of Our Dreams is written by M.V. Kamath. Freedom from Fear is written by Aung San Suu Kyi. God Above Small Things is a famous book. That book is written by Arundhati Roy. Epidemiology is the study of epidemic diseases. Oncology deals with cancer and it deals with tumors. Branch of medicine dealing with pregnancy is known as obstetrics. Seismology deals with earthquake. Paleontology deals with fossils. Virology deals with virus. Osteology deals with the study of bones. Physiography deals with natural phenomena. Philately deals with the stamp collection. Oliver Twist is written by Charles Dickens. The Blind Beauty is written by Boris Pasternak. And Quiet Flows the Dawn, this book is written by Mikhail Solokhov. Animal Farm, this book is written by George Orwell. A View from New Delhi is written by Chester Bowles. All My Yesterdays is written by Prem Bhatia. Annie Besant is written by Sri Prakash. Dragon's Teeth is written by W.B. Sinclair. Gandhian Stalin is written by Louis Fisher. Gathering a Storm is written by Winston Churchill. Crime and Punishment is written by Dostoevsky. Broken Man is written by Sarojini Naidu. Gorbaho, this book is the work of Bhakpati Raj. The Nation and Making, this book is written by Surendranath Banerjee. These are some important GKs of all the examinees and all the students who are preparing for so many exams, and this will definitely help all the examinees. So follow my channel and subscribe my channel to get more and more videos of so many exams, and this will definitely help all the examinees. So this is my earnest request to all the candidates. Thank you very much.